Hello crafters, and I created Home with G and another Christmas in July video. I was creating some ornaments for my tree and I thought, well, why don't I bring this on to video for you. I got this designer paper pad from my Poundland. Who's it by? Luxury Paper Block. It doesn't say who it's by. Doesn't give you how many. You get 15 pieces and they are A5. You have got some glitter, you've got a gold, and then you've got this iridescent white. And you've got some really lovely, I think quite Christmassy papers. I mean, they could be used throughout the year. I've got these MDF letters from Fernley Designs, fernleydesigns.com. So I'll leave a link for them below. And we're going to make some Christmas ornaments. Now I've already covered the O. I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't. So I've just come back and restarted. Now all I did was I drew around it, glued it on, and I used a nail file to file the edges. So I'm just going to decide what I want to do with the H. Do I want a bit of glitter? Maybe the O. Actually, let me just work on the, I think I'm just going to work on the O for now with you. I want it to have a belt buckle. So let me just have a look through my stash. Okay crafters, I've got some black ribbon from my stash, and in my store createhomewithg.com I sell 3 different designs of the belt buckle. You have the heart shaped one, you have the round, and then you have the square. Now traditionally it's the square, but I was thinking maybe the round one. So I'm just going to neaten this up. Now this is binding material that was sent to me last year, I think, from a subscriber and friend. So I think I might use the round one. I know it's traditional for us to use a square one. I think I might open this out. Or do I want it so it's all nice and neat? I think I'm going to neaten this up a bit, because it's all a bit defraveled. I want that to go, do I want it to one side or do I want it in the middle? I think I want it in the middle, and then it wrap around like that. Okay, let me put my hot glue gun on. And I'm going to do 3 of these, so it will be a repetitive ho ho ho, but I just don't want them joined. So, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang it so that the O will hang from the H. So let's have a look at what I want to do with the H. Maybe I was thinking some plaid. Maybe I've got this Old World Winter, and this is a 6x6 pad by Premium Cardstock, 48 sheets, doesn't say, and it's from the Paper Studio. So I was thinking maybe the plaid that is in this particular paper pad, I think it's a gorgeous plaid. There, that one there. I think maybe that one, and that goes quite well with the red as well. So what I'll need to do is I'm going to turn this H. Mind you, this H is the same both sides, I think. Right, I'm going to draw around my H with the pen I've just lost. There it is. I'm going to draw around this H. And I shall cut it out. Okay, that's that done, but my hot glue gun should be hot enough now for me to attach my belt buckle. So I'm going to put some hot glue on either side and put my ribbon, well, it's not ribbon, but you know what I mean, my seam binding. Glue strings, they really do get on my nerves. So when I'm actually recording this, crafters, is actually in March. It's now the 20th of March. But I love to create for Christmas throughout the year, especially now I have my Christmas channel. And as I've decided that both my channels, both Create at Home with G and Create at Home with Elf Creations, are both going to be Christmas craft throughout July, I need to record quite a few videos, so I am getting a head start. So we have that for the black, and I actually might use some Memento ink and go around the outside. I can find my pad that has the black ink on it. Yep, there it goes. Go around the outside. Okay, so that's the O. Now let's add here our H. Now I'm just going to use the art glitter glue because it does absolutely fine when it comes to paper and adhering to other surfaces. Okay, now using my nail files, I'm just going to go around the edge and I'm going to neaten off all the edges. So I am going to do that and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, crafters, I've done my H and I'm going to hot glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have them hanging together. So I want some detail maybe in this top corner. So I've just got some things from my stash, some foliage from my stash. I'm going to hot glue these pieces in this top corner. Not too much, because obviously I don't want it to be I don't want it to be unbalanced. So I've just got some berries from my stash, a tiny little acorn, and some berries, and a bit of a fern. Oh, mind you, I need to bring that down a bit because I need to make a hole for my twine. Right, speaking of holes, it's time to make a hole at the top here, and a hole here, and that will be what my twine goes in. And I'm going to have you hang from one of the feet of the H. One other thing I'm going to use, crafters, is my snow writer. Now it's quite it wasn't easy. I had to unclog it because obviously I haven't used it since last Christmas season, and it's I don't think it's going to be particularly easy for me to get a great deal out. I need to get some more. Gosh, it dries. It really does not dry very well. It tends to dry and then it solidifies within the tube. Right, going to one of my spatulas, which is available in the store, and I'm going to put some snow on the tips of my H. Obviously being careful not to cover my hole. And here in the center portion, just to give it a bit more festive look. And I'll probably do something similar with my O, just across the top probably, because obviously this is more reminiscent of Santa's suit. So I'm just putting just a little hint across the top. Okay, crafters, here is the finished article. I'm not too sure what happened with the other part of my video. I was editing my video, and the part where I finished putting the snow text on and tell you that I was going to put it away to dry and then come back and put the twine on wasn't there. I'm not sure if it's because the battery died or something was wrong with the camera. I'm not too sure. So here we go, it's all finished. I've just done the twine on the back. I haven't finished the backs, but I am going to paint them in black. And I've just added a bit of glitter to the snow, and I just used my Winker Stella for that. So nice. But I didn't do this one. I done the H, but I didn't do the O. So I'm just going to use my Winker Stella pen to put some little bit of sparkle on this snow. And I will have 3 of these on my woodland tree this year, and it will say ho ho ho, and I think that's rather fetching. I'm really pleased with the end result. So thank you very much for joining me, crafters, and you'll see me very soon with more Christmas in July craft. Take care now. Bye bye.